So I'm back with the International Space Station, this time the Russian section. I've got a short clip which is about a minute long. This was just sent to me. And what we see in this clip, I can't put my finger on it because I presume this is an external camera on the International Space Station, viewing, in this instance, the Soyuz capsule docked to parts of the International Space Station. So it's very strange if this is an external camera and not inside the space station, just like it looks. It's very strange what we're about to see. I'll play the footage in its entirety. I will pause it halfway through just to highlight something else, and then we'll zoom in and play it again. The first thing we're going to see is in the bottom right hand corner here, about 5 seconds in. So I'll play that. Like I say, pay particular attention to it. I won't stop it. I'll continue playing it through until I get to the next thing I want to point out. I'll then pause it, show you that, and then we're going to zoom in on both those areas, okay? So first up, pay particular attention to the bottom right hand corner. And what is this now? Look, what is that bottom right? If that's an external camera, it seems to bleed out. Very strange. I'll let it play anyway. As if the footage wasn't bad enough on its own, but in a minute we're going to see something else. Get ready. Do you see it? Now, below the Soyuz capsule, appearing on the actual Earth. At first I thought it was a supposed pretend lightning storm, but you can see flashing lights on the actual Earth below the Soyuz rocket capsule. See if you can see it. There and there, see it? Actually on the Earth, flashing below the Soyuz capsule. I mean, what is that? It can't be reflection if this is an external camera. So again, I'm going to ask you, what are we seeing here? Look at it now when we come with the blue background. Ugh! What is that? Someone please tell me in the comment section. Let's zoom in, 2 seconds. So I'm going to zoom in on the first bit, which was in the bottom right hand corner at the start of the footage. And tell me what you think this is. I mean, that gold thing there in the middle could be one of the solar panels, but why is it there amongst all that other stuff? And how is that able to reflect on the camera if the camera is on the outside? This makes no sense. And watch it bleed out now. Really strange. Bizarre. Bear with me. And now I'm coming to the other bit where it looked like it was a thunderstorm on the Earth below the Russian Soyuz capsule. But as we're going to see when we zoom in, this is no thunderstorm. What is this? Look at it. See it flashing? What is that? Again, we're going to see it in a lot more clarity, I guess, when it's got the blue background. Here we go. Get ready for it. I mean, what is that? Somebody, a globe believer, tell me, what am I looking at there? What is that? If this is an external camera outside the International Space Station, what are we seeing here when I've zoomed in on these clips? What is that? Someone, please tell me. We know the globe's scientifically impossible anyway. We only have to look at this footage. The Earth presented as a ball. The Earth as a ball is scientifically impossible. So we know this footage is tosh anyway. That can be tested and verified by all. Large standing bodies of water. Air pressure systems cannot reside next to a vacuum. Tower cranes and pendulums can be dead still on a spinning, wobbling, oscillating ball. These are demonstrable facts which prove what is being presented on our screen, i.e. the Earth is spherical, is tosh anyway. We know that. But when I look at the footage, like I say, if that's an external camera, which it looks like it, then what are we seeing? First up in the bottom right, and then second, what appears like a thunderstorm with, I don't know, I just don't know. Someone please tell me what that tosh is.